name is Lori. I welcome you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe while you're here. So I'm gonna start a series here on my channel. It's gonna be called products that a beauty guru made me buy. And for our first video, our beauty guru is gonna be Jackie Aina, because I've been watching her a lot since I've been in the house, just binge watching her YouTube videos. And I've been spending, everyone's been spending a lot of time like in quarantine. So you guys know, like, I just graduated from nursing school, so I was on my unit for like 2 days, and then I got called and they were like, oh, you have to be in quarantine for 2 weeks because your patient tested positive for the corona. And I was like, oh my god, I was scared, like, no lie. But because it was like super fresh and everything was going on, and it was like different policies and everything was changing, and it was like huge shit show. It still is, but I was like super scared. I was like, oh no, I already been in contact with my family, I'm gonna die, everyone's gonna die. I was so scared. But anyway, I was at home watching YouTube videos. So let's start off with our haul. That's enough rambling. So first things first, I'm gonna go with the Tatcha, the liquid silk canvas, and this is just in a liquid form. And this bottle is so pretty, guys. And keep in mind that I used all of these items on my false, because there is a demo / tutorial using these items that will be uploaded next. So if you want to see that video, definitely subscribe to. So all this stuff has been opened. I just put it back in a box for the purposes of this video. Okay, so Tatcha liquid silk canvas. This and it feels so nice and so cute. And when she used it, her makeup turned out super bomb. So I was like, let me go ahead and just get the liquid, and I love it. The next item is also, oh, let's see, let's do this brush. So we all know that Jackie Aina applies her makeup with this NYX brush. I definitely used it to put on my makeup. It's just the NYX brush. I got it off of Amazon. It was like, I just searched like NYX powder brush, NYX foundation brush, and it came up. So I feel like this brush, because I usually use my flat top kabuki from Sigma for my foundation, or I'll go and like do a finishing touch with the Sonia Kashuk wet sponge. I wet it, but I don't know, I felt like this kind of drank my makeup. I don't know, but I feel like I had to use an extra pump or two with this brush. So I don't know if it was the brush, but I felt like my product like disappeared. So I don't know, maybe we'll use this for something else. But she loves it. She uses it in every single video, like every single one. So another thing that she used, that she's been using a lot lately, are the live tinted Huesticks. And I got 2 of them, and this is in the shade Rise, which is the orange stick, the orange corrector. And this is what it looks like. And this packaging is like super nice and sleek, and it feels smooth like the Tatcha one. So it looks like a big crayon, and you just color on your where you want to correct. I did like around my mouth, and I did a swipe under my eyes, and then I did a couple trouble spots on my cheeks with it, and then I just blended it out on before I applied my foundation. So we'll see how this makeup wears using these 3 new items. So and I ordered 2 of them. Let's show you how much trust we put in beauty gurus, because I ordered 2 of them just because sis said that she lives by it. So I was like, okay sis, just let me know, it's ordered. That's all you have to say. Next thing is going to be eye stuff. And of course, what did Jackie Aina make all of us buy? Her palette. You guys like my nails? I tried to have them match the holographicness of the Jackie palette. You like how I did that? So this is just for video purposes. This is just the box. This is opened and used already, girl. So, because this was, if you guys watched my organization collection video, you saw this in that video, so you know I had it already. But Jackie made me buy it. Her eyeshadow palette. I used Supreme and Zam and Soleil in this eye tutorial. I can't believe, I'm so proud of myself. I didn't use ginger. Like I always use an orange in my crease, girl, but I didn't do it this time because I was like, let's just do something different. And it worked because I like it. Another eye thing, okay, I saw her use this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil, waterproof, long lasting, and this one is in alkaline. This is a burgundy pencil, and I put it in my waterline. I like burgundy anyway, and then when I saw her use it, the eyeshadow that she did in that tutorial, it just looked like super awesome. And then when she put on this liner, it was like it magnified the awesomeness of her eye makeup. So I was like, let me just go ahead and get that, girl. So I picked that up. And then the last item is a lipstick. This lipstick that I have on right now. And this is a Natasha Denona I Need a Nude lipstick. And this is my first Natasha Denona lipstick. I don't have any. And I guess it's from the I Need a Nude collection. Okay. And this packaging is like super sleek. It's white and it just says Natasha Denona. And this is the color 6B Lala. Super dark color. In the tutorial that Jackie used that lipstick in, she used a ColourPop lip pencil called Pitch. And then when I was going to go shopping online to see if I could find it anywhere, I guess it's discontinued because it wasn't there anymore. So I just went in my collection to see if I had like a super dark pencil I can use, and I came across my Aaliyah Nevermore Matte Collection pencil. So this is just the pencil that I used to line my lips today. And then I used the Lala lipstick. I'm liking it though. So when I did my eyeshadow, I was trying to go for like spring looking, like go out for mimosas, you know, even though nobody could go nowhere right now. You could do your makeup and then drink a mimosa on the couch. That's what you could do. Because in Chicago, Lori Lightfoot said you can't go nowhere. No, where's you gonna get back in the house? For the most part, when I did the demo, everything was fine. I don't have any complaints about anything besides not knowing if the brush soaked up an extra pump or two of my Fenty foundation, but that's about it. The Aina palette is awesome. The Natasha Denona lipstick is super smooth. I'm definitely gonna need more of those. And we'll see how the color corrector works. So you let me know if you like anything, and make sure that you watch my demo / tutorial using all the items. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you like this video, which I hope you guys did, and leave a comment in the below bar if you want to ask me anything about the items, and if you're interested in seeing any other guru suggestion videos, just let me know. Maybe I'll go check them out. Maybe it's somebody that I haven't watched before. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next tutorial or video collection. I don't know, haul. Ooh, it'll probably be a haul because today is the 14th, and the Sephora Rouge VIB sale is on Friday. So my next video will definitely be a haul. Alright, bye guys.